2017 marks the 275th anniversary of the founding of Fairfax County. And we have a number of great events planned throughout the year. There's a special commemoration committee that's been established, and we're planning things in the different magisterial districts, and a special history fair on the grounds of the county courthouse on June 17th, 2017. So that's the middle of the commemoration, and we thought we would have something fun to start off the year by moving the original weights and measures that were given to Fairfax County in 1744 so that the market master could measure and make sure everyone was getting an accurate price for the goods that were being sold at port.
So the weights and measures of 1744 are one of the oldest complete sets of colonial weights and measures in America. And they've been here at the memorial for several years. The Lodge is now happy to loan the collection, the set, to the County of Fairfax for their 275th anniversary. The Lodge has had a public history museum here in Alexandria since 1812, and these artifacts are some of the oldest in that collection.
And you'll note that the weights and measures are marked 1744, but the county was actually founded in 1742. So we are very excited that these weights and measures are going to be displayed in the Fairfax County Government Center throughout 2017. And in fact, this is the first time that they are leaving the city of Alexandria, because originally the courts were here in Alexandria and then moved out to Fairfax County. And the weights and measures just kind of stayed around. So this is their field trip to Fairfax will be the first time that they've left Alexandria.